Hello guys, it's your girl Onana and this is Onana Nation. So if you're new on this channel, a very special welcome to you. Please go ahead and subscribe honey because you are definitely going to love it here. And to all my amazing subscribers, shout out to you guys. You all know how much I appreciate you for all the love and support. So today we're going to be talking about Cameroonian artist Magasco, who is currently being dragged by Cameroonians as he launched his clothing line Anthony T Wears. So Magasco is about to drop a clothing line where he has this whole clothing collection with so many colors. It looks like latex prints and all that stuff. I don't know yet. So he just dropped a teaser on his page and he said, hello guys, it's your boy Magasco. Just to let you guys know that I'm going to be coming up with my clothing line called Anthony T Wears. It's going to be available soon on all colors and it's going to be 250,000 francs CFA for the full package. Stay tuned. So that stay tuned was like, you guys should stay tuned for more information from me. But Cameroonians were jumping helter-skelter like, what? 250,000? Uncle, you get hard to for the Cameroon, what for see work now? What? All this stress will go through. You get hard for drop clothing line for 250k. Uncle, you try you. So people were dragging Magasco left, right, and center, and some of the comments were hilarious. So we're going to be reading some funny comments today. Stay tuned. So the first comment is from Mado Jerome, and Mado says, raincoat for 250k. Better rainfall on me, then I go warm fire. So Mado is reducing Magasco's hard work and his design. She's calling it a raincoat. Ordinary raincoat to Cameroon has nothing depressed by the depression. And then the next comment is from Natasha Fosso. She's like, 250k. When the price reach 1,000 francs, uncle, please let me know. And then the next comment is from Fale Kingsley Noni. He says, 250k now with your career, bro. He cannot believe that Magasco can be selling a dress for 250k. Does it involve his whole musical career? And then Tata MJ says, I feel imagine only the hit inside the kind of material no fear. That's dope for startup business. So like that's enough money to be a capital to start up somebody's business. And then Evelyn Gu is like, no bro, I sure say you get AC inside the pocket. Like the only reason why the dress like this can be so expensive is if it has AC in the pocket. That's according to Evelyn Gu. And then Monique says that price on plus your destiny, bro. The raincoat first day like raincoat way a Koro doctor they wear. So the next comment is from PayPal House, and PayPal House says, my problem is not the money. My problem is the clothes. How on earth do you expect us to carry this on and be walking on the streets? Oh, she rich uncle. 10 million c'est quoi? All the Cameroonian youths are crying that it's expensive. Oh, it's expensive. Oh, Uncle PayPal just came and said, my problem is not even the money. Yo. I'm thinking more about the latex material, the rubber material. If I'm walking with this material on the street, it will be making funny sounds and it will be making me sweaty and uncomfortable. So that's his own problem, rich people problems. The rest of us who are broke, we're looking at the 250k, but uncle is a rich uncle, you know, Oshe baddest 10 million sequoia. And then the next comment is from Gong Petromila. Petromila says 250k, that's my tuition for a whole year with other things included. And that's true. If you're going to a state university in Cameroon, for example, your school fee is 50,000 francs, maybe your mini city is 180,000 francs. So why would you go and be buying designer outfit for 250k that is like your tuition times 5? That's ridiculous. So it's Fabian Ski says, this Cameroonian artist then the Eastern maker make we go broke. You fit move 250k dash fan for the yes or no? So Fabian Ski is saying that Cameroonian artists their own is only to collect from the fans, buy my album, buy my musical collection, buy this, buy that, stream my music, buy my designer outfits, buy my collection, buy this, buy that. Can you remove 250k and give a fan? Your own is only to collect. I mean, you guys are still making us to go broke. You guys should be a little considerate. And then the next comment is from Young Prince Jeho, and he says, does the 250k include you performing live in my house when you're going to deliver it to me? So the only way he can remove his 250k to pay for an outfit is if the artist is delivering it himself and doing a live performance at his home simultaneously. So Pimpera says, when you want to do business, think of the purchasing power of your fans. How many people in Cameroon if you buy this clothes, music for 5k, they never buy, then an outfit for 250k, they go buy. So this is what we call constructive criticism. Actually, this guy is the only one that has given Magasco constructive criticism. Before doing business, you think about your market. Who are you targeting? Who is your potential client? And what is their pocket, what is their source of income, what's their average income. You don't just come out here and say I'm producing a bottle of whiskey for 800k. You're going to drink it on your grandmother. You have to look at the market. You have to strategize properly. Why are you coming from with 250k for an outfit or for a collection? Who can afford that? So the next comment is from T Colox, and T says, "Na so tapoli material don't expensive." I tell you, it shocked me. So they are outrightly calling Magasco's hard-earned designs tapoli material. Alvin Sangov says, "I am all for supporting our own, but bro, 250k na plot too. Even Gucci no start, so it took time. I beg. That clothes faded like if I jump over fire, I go land on the other side naked. It go catch fire." So Alvin is saying that, bro, you gotta take it easy, one step at a time. Gucci, Ferragamo, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, all these people do not just start expensive on day one. It takes time to build the brand. It takes class and a solid fan base and continuity to build an established brand name. You cannot start right out the bat from day one. You're charging people 250k for an outfit. That is too expensive. Take it one day at a time. When the fans have known your name, when you've become a household name, you can start adding your prices gradually. And that's actually a very, very good piece of advice. So next up, we're going to read from Mr. Bass D. And Mr. Bass says, "Na life jacket the boy they sell so like play, or I'm sure when you buy them, they just sign you for B-Boy Records." No. So Mr. Bass is saying that the only reason why he will remove 250k to pay for an outfit is if he's sure that the outfit is going to make them to sign him over there at B-Boy Records. And then Pascal Dobgima says, "We don't support you for all Timbo, but this one, 250k na money we fit change person life for, no before take and buy raincoat." And then the next comment is from Luis Figo, and he says, "We need the black, bro. These colors are not that good. Can't wait to get one for the culture." Yeah, these are the real supporters of the culture. He's able to buy, he's willing to buy, but the blue and yellow colors will not work for him. So he's wishing that Magasco can add a black design into his collection so he can buy something he'll be comfortable wearing. That's amazing. So we're going to read the last few comments. One from Pangsui Milafa, and Pangsui says, "When next, please release two same packages with two different prices, rich price and poor price. That's the price most people can afford and a price that only rich people can afford." NCW World says, "Your fan base won't be able to get it, but wait, you want to sell now for US or London or Paris? If so, then the price is cheaper, but do something about the price." So this goes back to what we're talking about, knowing your market, who is your target audience and all that stuff. If you were selling in the US, they can get it now. 250k people can buy, 300k or whatever people can buy. But in Cameroon, that you know that most people are still struggling to get jobs. Most of your fans are still youth, staying with their parents at home. This is a little ridiculous. If you would have put it down to about 20k or 15k, a fan will maybe squeeze from their pocket allowance, close their eyes, and create a leeway just so they can buy your outfit to support you. But 250k, you're just saying that nobody should buy. So that's it, my people. That's the gist. Magasco was being dragged on Facebook the whole of yesterday when he dropped this information about his new collection. But people actually think it's a publicity stunt, because for him to come out here and say he's dropping a clothing line for 250k, it was a publicity stunt. He did it intentionally so bloggers will be talking about it, so the story will be trending, and it succeeded because we are all talking about it today. If he would have said I'm dropping a clothing line, people will just pass over it. You know how people are. Nobody will have time for it. These days ridiculousness sells. These days ridiculous things will really drag attention. If he would have simply come out to say, "Guys, so I want to drop a clothing line," you would have had a few likes, a few comments, people would have gone ahead with their day. But the fact that he put the 250k there was intentional, pun intended, and it's a good thing, because today all bloggers are talking about it on their pages, everybody's commenting about it and all that stuff. So he actually said 250k for the entire collection, and now we don't know whether the collection involves just two outfits, the blue and the yellow, or the collection involves 5 outfits or 10 outfits. We don't know, but the 250k is allegedly for the entire collection. So he said we should wait for more details. We're waiting for more details, but that little publicity stunt he did really worked in his favor. So Magasco is going to be coming up with his clothing line. Anthony T Wears is going to be dropping anytime soon. You guys should be on the lookout for that. Die-hard fans of Bamenda Boy, Pass Me the Light, hey. So you guys should just be looking out for that. Be on the lookout. Your boy is going to be dropping something soon, and that will be that for this video. So yeah, I guess we're coming to the end of today's video. I remain your girl Nana. If it is your first time on this channel, honey, please go ahead and subscribe. subscribe because you would definitely love it. Here on this channel, we talk all things entertainment, we talk about African recipes, and we do lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe. Even if you're not new, we have some village people here that are just coming to spy every day and they're going back without subscribing. Angel Michael is watching you, Angel Gabriel is watching you. So all these ancients of days are just coming to spy every day and they're going, okay, when you come this time around, please subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you're notified next time when we upload a new video. All right, so I love you guys. Stay safe, everybody, and happy Sunday to everyone. Did you guys go to church or should I mind my business? All right, so I just got back from church and I thought of doing this little video for you guys. Stay safe, everybody. I love you all, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to leave me comments below. I'll be reading your comments. I'll be liking. I'll be replying all your comments. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.